Hey y'all, it's Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're learning how to make the Luna Beanie. This top-down crochet hat pattern uses number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. For 0 to 3 months you'll need 63 yards, 3 to 6 months 91 yards, toddler 106 yards, child size 116 yards, teen small adult 125 yards, and medium large adult 133 yards. We're using a 5mm crochet hook. For our gauge, you'll want rounds 1 through 4 to measure 4.5 inches across the circle, or 15 stitches by 8 rounds in double crochet to 4 inches. For all sizes, we'll start with a magic circle, or you can chain 3 and slip stitch to the first stitch to join into a circle. Place 12 double crochets into your magic circle. Once you have 12 double crochets, then you can pull your tail to close the magic circle. And now we'll join our stitches with a slip stitch to the first double crochet you made. Again, you'll have 12 stitches. For round 2, we're going to increase in each stitch. So I'll start with a chain 3 alternative here. You can start with a chain 3 if you prefer. And then I will place a second double crochet in the same stitch. And we'll place 2 double crochets in each stitch around. You'll end with 24 double crochets, and we will slip stitch to the first stitch to join that round. To start round 3, we'll start with our chain 3 alternative, and then we'll place 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Then we'll double crochet in the following stitch and place 2 double crochet in the next. And that will be our repeat around. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. We'll end with 36 stitches. Slip stitch to the first stitch, or chain if you did a chain 3. Now for round 4, we'll start with our chain 3 or alternative. Double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the following. and then that's our repeat. Place 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 1, 1. Now increase by placing 2 double crochets in the following. We'll keep repeating that around. Okay, so baby sizes 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months are finished here, increasing your crown. Once your size is finished increasing your crown, just jump ahead to 7 minutes 50 seconds where the double crochet round starts. I'm just joining round 4 here with a slip stitch. For the other sizes, toddler, child, teen, small adult, and medium large adult, we'll continue with another few rounds of increases. So we'll start with our chain 3 or alternative. And we're going to double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now we'll increase with 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And then that's our repeat around. 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, 2 double crochets in the following. We'll end with 60 stitches for round 5. Slip stitch to your first stitch. Toddler sizes can stop here and go to the double crochet round at 750. Round 6 for child through adult sizes starts with a chain 3 alternative. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then place 2 double crochets in the next. Then we'll repeat that. 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. And 2 double crochet in the next. Repeat that around. Four singles and 2. Okay, all sizes are done increasing, and now we're just going to do a round of double crochets. You are making baby 0 to 3 months or 3 to 6 months. You'll be on round 5 here. If you are making a toddler size, you'll be on round 6 here. All other sizes will be on round 7 here for the double crochet round. You'll chain 3 or alternative to start. Double crochet in each stitch around. Repeat that around. When you get to the end, slip stitch to the first stitch. And then we're ready to begin the next 3 rounds in our stitch pattern. If you're making one of the baby sizes, 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, you'll be on round 6, 7, and 8 here. Toddler, you'll be on round 7, 8, and 9. Child, teen, and adult sizes will be on rounds 8, 9, and 10 next. Okay, so we'll start with our chain 3 or alternative. Then we're going to double crochet in the next stitch. Skip the next stitch and double crochet in the following. Now we're going to cross behind this stitch that we just made and double crochet in the skipped stitch. So they're crossed in the back. Now we'll double crochet in the next 2 stitches See, that's where our X1 is. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next, cross back behind that stitch and work into the skipped stitch, making a double crochet. Helps to fold your work over. And then that's your repeat around. Make sure you don't go into that stitch again. Work 2 double crochets, 1 in each of the next 2. Skip 1, double crochet in the next. Work into the skipped stitch by going behind the stitch you just made to create the X. Okay, so keep repeating that all the way around. I'm at the last X stitch of the round, skipping the second to last stitch, work into the last, go behind to finish the stitch by working into the skipped stitch, and join with a slip stitch. Now we're working in the round, so we're looking at the right side, so we can turn this inside out so you can see the texture there. And now our hat will be right side out. Okay, so we'll start with our chain 3 or alternative. Double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet in the next stitch, which is the front double crochet of your cross stitches. Then double crochet in each of the next 3. So the first one there is the one that was crossed in the back, so you have to look for it a little bit. 2, 3. Now we are going to repeat front post double crochet in the next, which is our front crossed double crochet, then double crochet once in each of the next 3. Make sure you get that one that's sitting in the back. And keep repeating that around. Okay, so I have 2 stitches left. I will front post double crochet in the next stitch. And double crochet in the last stitch. Join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. And that's the end of our second round in our stitch pattern. On to the last round of our stitch pattern, the third round in this set. We'll start with our chain 3 or alternative like I'm doing here. Double crochet in the next stitch. Skip the next stitch and double crochet in the following. We're going to cross in front to front post double crochet in the skipped stitch, which happens to be our post stitch that's sticking out there. So very easy to identify. So we're crossing it opposite of the way we did the first round. Now we're going to double crochet in the next two. Make sure you're not working into that back stitch that's already been worked into. Then skip the next stitch, double crochet in the following, cross in front, 2 front post double crochet in the skipped stitch, and then we'll repeat that around. Okay, here I am finishing up the last few stitches of the third round of repeats here. Round 8 for baby sizes, round 9 for toddler, round 10 for child, teen small adult, and medium large adult. Finish off with that slip stitch. Okay, so now for medium and large adult, you're going to repeat round 7 for 3 rounds. Rounds 11, 12, and 13 will be just double crochet rounds. For teen small adult, you're going to repeat round 7 for 11 and 12, so 2 rounds. For child size, you're going to repeat round 7 one time for round 11. For toddler size, you'll repeat round 6, the double crochet round, for 2 rounds, rounds 10 and 11. For baby 3 to 6 months, you'll repeat round 5, the double crochet round, for rounds 9 and 10. For babies 0 to 3 months, you'll repeat round 5 one time for round 9. Once your double crochet round repeats are done, we'll start our stitch pattern over. For baby 0 to 3 months, for rounds 10 to 12, you'll repeat rounds 6 to 8. Baby 3 to 6 months, rounds 11 to 13, repeat rounds 6 to 8. Toddler rounds 12 to 14, repeat rounds 7 to 9. Child rounds 13 to 15, repeat rounds 8 to 10. Teen small adult rounds 13 to 15, repeat rounds 8 to 10. Medium large adult rounds 13 to 15, repeat rounds 8 to 10. Once you've done a repeat of the 3 rounds of our stitch pattern, then it will be time for some sizes to add some more double crochet rounds, and a couple of sizes will be finished. So this is where you can add or subtract rounds if you need to add or take away height for your hat. Baby sizes 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months are done. No more repeats are needed. For toddler size, for round 15, you'll repeat round 5. Child, round 16 is a repeat of round 7. Teen small adult, rounds 13 to 15, repeat round 7. And medium large adult, round 16 to 18, repeat round 7. Again, these are double crochet round repeats just to finish off your hat. Then you can cut your yarn and weave in your ends.